Hello and welcome to Vicky's Crafts. I have a haul. I wanted to show you my stickers that I forgot to show you. So I'm going to get a piece of paper here so that I could show you them. And this is the October one. And I'm loving the little pandas right there eating its ramen, and he's on a bowl with a ramen bowl, and he's also eating, and he's drinking his bubble tea, and the tea kettle is so cute. The macaroon, very cute. I'm loving that one. And then this one is called Mix and Matcha. And the next one is, well, that's dark, Waffle Lot of Fun. So I have to deal with waffles. Sorry for the glare there. And you have your orange juice, your hot waffles, your egg and bacon and a star waffle, a waffle rainbow, and then the Pippy whip. So that's cute too. That's kind of a foodie one. And then we have the Use Your Noodle. So this is all about noodle. And it has the little, have you seen the cat with the clack that the hand goes like this to you? So it's kind of cute. That's old. And it has this soy sauce there and sriracha. So that's cute. And then we have, this one is Pet Portraits. Really cute. Like in the poodle, the frog with the hat, the rabbit. And then now the larger ones. And this one is called Ultimate Comfort. Because the dog there, the big poodle, and then the two labs. Really cute. And then this one is called Pleasing Pantry. So you got your sugar, your salt, your olive, your honey, tomato paste, black beans, garlic and chili, your cafe bustelo there, and your peanut butter, mac and cheese, and some tuna cans and spaghettis there. That is so cute. And then these old time TVs. I had the TV that was huge. It had the radio on this side with the 8-track tape. Yeah, I had 8-track tapes, and and the other side had the cassette and the 45 and the record player, and then it was color TV in the bottom. So yeah, I had one of those. It weighed like a ton. And this one is called Retro Vision. Yes, I'm dating myself. And then I'm liking the postcard, which is so cute, and it has like a little paw there. And then it comes with a little book and it'll tell you what's going on for next month. And of course I do keep my Pipstick bag. I just take that off and I mail my Happy Mail or goodies using this. And then if I'm mailing one little thing, I do use this to mail it off. So that is my Pipstick monthly kit of stickers. Let me show you my kit that came yesterday from Heidi Swapp. Actually, before I do that, I wanted to show you these envelopes. I do pick them up constantly, and I do put my dies and stamps in these. And I forget the size of it, so let me show you how they look. And let me see. I if I have one here. I don't have anything to put in, but let me just take this out and put this like that. See, so it fits your scissors. And so these are the magnetic. I usually put it like that, and I usually put the, if it has a stamp with it, I put it together. And then you just open it here and you just put it in. So the measurement, it is, the height is 7.5, no, 7 1/4 by 5 4/4. 5 4/4. So I pick these up a lot from Amazon. So these are my Amazon little envelopes that I get. And I was running low, so I picked 3 packets. And now let me show you my Heidi Swapp. So this is the Molly kit, the Stop the Blur, and then the stamp. So this one is the stamp that they have, that she brought out, is a door. And you could decorate the door however you like. Sorry for the glare. And then this is the Stop the Blur kit. She always has a stamp also in this one, which I like, because I'm liking the little numbers. I could use that for my journal and my calendar. And the alphas I'm liking. So, and you could write little things in here with the alphas. So she always has the stickers, some alphas, and then the numbers in the back. And she has a washi, and this one she has work in progress, fun, happy, and some other words in there, and it's like a light beige, which I like the color. And then let me just take all the things out. She has some paper clips and paper, so let me show you really quick. So she has tiny ones and then larger ones. So she has, so it does open, which you could slide something in it. So it's 3 larger ones and then 3 smaller ones, and the smaller ones does open also. So that's kind of nice. So that's cute. You could put a paper inside of it. And let me put that back in half. What's it in here? What's it here? So I am using her stuff, but in my traveler's journal. I'm not using it for her chapters. And then here are some typewriter little envelopes. So I guess you write whatever you need to write in there, and then it goes back in. So it's like little envelopes that she made with a typewriter, and it's 2 black and 2 like grayish, or yeah, it's different colors all for them. So that's kind of cute. And then we have some tabs. To me it looks like tabs, but they're not. They're envelopes with little inserts. So it's 4, and then you could write things in there. So that is cute, and it does go by. So you have 4 of those. They came with that. And then we have some cards here, like index cards, and so it's date. So that's how that looks. Which that's cute. You could journal whatever you need to journal, and you could use those cards, which I think I'm going to use for my traveler's notebook. And then the last thing is an envelope like a mash book, it looks like. So it's 4 of them, 2 colors. So it's like a mash book, but it's not. It doesn't have the little staple in the bottom. So you could even put a picture in there and then have the picture stick to this side, and then you put journal in this side. So that's cute. And then glue this down. So it's 2 darker beige from a lighter beige. And that is it for my Heidi Swapp kit of the month, the Stop the Blur and the stamp. And my Amazon and also my Pipstick. I'll be back with a scrapbook.com haul and a peach cheap haul and a office supply haul. So stay tuned for that. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you need any help in finding the items that I mentioned here, I will link the Amazon in the bottom of this. So check those out. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.